Hey guys, it's your girl Susan Curry here, and I am here from Miami, and Christmas came early here. You guys, I'm taking up a new hobby, you could say. I've always liked to draw. I never picked up a tattoo machine myself until Neebol sent me a tattoo machine, you guys. And we are going to unbox it today. And let's get right to it, you guys. So guys, everything you need is in this tattoo kit. It comes with pair of gloves, green soap, black tattoo ink. You get cartridges. They also sell these cartridges. And they give you a couple of kinds. Then of course, your tattoo pen. This is the machine that gives you what you need. This is your bread and butter, guys. Well, some of us have been here before. Start wrapping. I'll hold that steady there. Whoopsie baby balm, of course, from Crybabies. So we're gonna take some of this balm, baby, and we're gonna just visually. You know, a lot of these products are easy to do. And get that. All right, so do it at the speed you feel comfortable with. You might have to play around. I prefer like an 8.5, I realize. But again, guys, I'm still learning. So. Then you hold my needle a little straighter up and down. I don't want to blow out. But thank you guys, and thank you, Neebol. All right, guys, there she is, just a little hand-drawn crown. Not like we have a little mess here. But thank you guys, and thank you, Neebol. There's my creation for today, guys. Practice.